Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review, and today I want to look at another fragrance from the house of Original Penguin, and this one is called a Signature Blend. A little sample I got off of eBay, and as promised, I am wearing my Original Penguin sweatshirt. I think it looks really nice, and since it's cold out, I decided to put on my Lacoste knit cap there. Nice combo, don't you think? Lacoste, Original Penguin, how much more hip can I get there? This is a 2018 release, and it was classified as a leather fragrance with notes of martini, sea salt, pimento, leather, green leaves, woody notes, and ice. So it seems to me that this fragrance is trying to give off the vibe of a martini. The martini, the pimento, you know, that little red piece that sits inside the olive, the pimento. Olive goes with pimento. I guess the salt as well kind of maybe evokes the olive, which is very salty. The ice. So, and I'm not really sure what a martini actually tastes or smells like because I don't drink them. I know what they are, kind of, but I never order one. I think James Bond made the martini a very famous drink because that's what he would order sometimes. I think he's the one that said shaken not stirred or something like that. But anyway, so I can't really deny or confirm whether or not this actually smells like a martini. But to my nose, mostly what I'm getting, once again, is that bubblegum, sweet, aquatic smell that became so famous with the Invictus. You do kind of pick up on this dry leather accord in the background. And, I don't know, the pimento, according to my research, the pimento is a sweet pepper more than a hot pepper. It doesn't have the heat of like a jalapeno. It's more of a sweeter pepper. So that's kind of buried in the mix as well. So mostly what I'm getting here is this bubblegummy aquatic smell. So I'm not really overly impressed with it, and I think it's kind of deceptive to say that it smells like a martini, and a bit deceptive to classify it as a leather fragrance as well, because I don't get a strong leather presence here. More of that, I would call it more of a fruity aquatic more than a leather. So that's pretty much it for this one. I wasn't overly impressed with the Signature Blend. I wore it to work today, and you know, and some people say it has a mature vibe. I remember Chad and Rush and somebody at Fragrantica said it had a mature vibe. But to me, it doesn't really smell that mature. I think I get more of a teenager and under 30 vibe here because of that sweet bubblegummy aquatic smell. Try it for yourself and see what you think. If you get the leather, if you get the salt, if you get the pimento, the martini accord, maybe you'll disagree, but definitely wasn't too impressed with this one. So I'll get my final scores here. 5.5 out of 10 for smell. I'm getting really tired of this type of smell here. More of, you know, the note pyramid leads you to believe it's going to be something really unique and different, but it's pretty much the same old thing. Projection longevity, we'll say 4 to 6 hours. I mean, it did okay performance wise. We'll say 7 out of 10. Versatility, see, mostly for warmer weather, 6.5 out of 10, because it does have like a brightness to it. Maybe it's that martini accord or whatever. 6.5 out of 10 for versatility for more of a hotter weather fragrance. Uniqueness, 5 out of 10. I don't get any of these really unique notes here mentioned. It should smell much more unique than what the smell actually indicates. Price point, though, 3.5 or 3.4 ounce bottle for $22.04. So yeah, these bottles are cheap and they do look nice. If you like penguins especially, you'll appreciate the bottle. Overall, 5.5 out of 10. Wasn't overly impressed, but if you like martinis, maybe give it a try. See what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.